This is Robert Wink with eXp Realty. We are currently walking today 3 properties for a buyer in Sacramento, California. Today is 5,900 New Ballinger Drive for $5,400, and it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Let's do a walkthrough. All right, it's a 2-car garage. 2-car garage, as you can see, a half, also half. Little maintenance within the flower beds. It also has a Guardian Shield protection security system in place. As you enter this grand home, off to your left, you will see a office space. It is an office space in Texas due to not having a closet. As we walk further in, off to the right is the garage. We will not take a peek in. Off to the left is your laundry room with security access. You have a master bedroom. Are you the seller's agent?
Yes.
There's a seller's agent. He's with Real Estate Station. Are they keeping the refrigerator?
I think they're leaving it here.
They're leaving it here? All right, so everything's negotiable. Gas stove, got a pantry. This is the kitchen. Forward is the living room to the backyard. We'll talk about that shortly. We're gonna go into the master bedroom. It is a very big master bedroom. We will stay out of the master closet there. But as you look through the master bedroom here, it is very spacious. You could put a little mini gym in here if you wanted to. We're gonna walk into the master bath. Very open, a his and her sink. As you can tell, gentlemen, we found your sink right here. That's gonna be definitely your sink. And this will be your wife. Then you have a big a shower. And you also have a spacious master toilet. Let's walk back to the kitchen, dining room, back into the living room. We'll just do a quick showing outside. We've got a spacious covered patio. The great thing about this is it's minimal yard maintenance. They have Bermuda grass. They're coming from downhill, so your water's gonna flow on down when it rains. Keep it nice and saturated. They also have their own flower beds. Back into the house. We're gonna go into the next 3 bedrooms and bathroom. Here's your bathroom. Go back to your bathroom again. Gotta love Yoda. Who doesn't love Yoda? Here's your bedroom number 1 outside the master. Very spacious. There's another linen closet. Here's bedroom number 2 with built-in. One thing that you may want to check for when you look at homes is your cracks down there. Definitely get somebody to come out and look if there's any cracks around seals, which that's pretty normal. But looking at this one here, probably just a drywall issue. But then you look up. So definitely make sure you have an inspector come out and look. It's the only crack I've seen so far. We're gonna go upstairs. All right, man, look at this second living room. Very spacious, great for gaming as well. Going to we always call this the mother-in-law suite upstairs, or the teenager's room to kind of escape. Bathroom, and then this is the final 4th bedroom. They use it as an office. It's a great space. That ends the tour.